How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with an all-new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where on Tuesdays, I showcase a particular park model tiny home coming in at 399 square feet that we have available right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Tuesday, I'm bringing to you the Sandpiper. I am back again with an all-new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, and today I'm showcasing a home by the name of the Sandpiper. This home is specifically for those out there who have been hitting me up saying, Mr. Tiny, can you please add a half bath powder room to a tiny home? And while you're at it, we don't need a loft, we just want the elevated ceilings. Well, you know what Mr. Tiny does. I had to come and bring your dreams to reality right here with the Sandpiper. For anyone in the market right now, this home is a 13-foot wide by 38-foot long, including the 8-foot front porch, and it's on sale today for $91K. $91,000, you'll get everything you see today besides furniture and decor. And starting here on the exterior of the home, you know we kept it with a snowy mount base with a board and bat exterior siding. That is going to look lovely, and you'll see that we added a pop of color with the maroon metal roof. That metal roof is going to give you a color pop as we make our way around to the front side of the home. You'll see that we kept the posts and rails in white, and the rails are going to be vinyl, so no need to stain or maintain those. Ease of durability long term. And then you'll see a beam and crow's foot painted in white as well. And as you enter the front porch, you'll see two exterior can lights. It is already wired and braced for a ceiling fan or light fixture of your choice. 8 foot of exterior living space here on the porch with that composite decking with a 30-year warranty. Outlet here on the side, as well as one on the alternate. And then, of course, the 36-inch blinds and glass front door with, again, that maroon color pop. And if you know anything about Mr. Tiny, if I'm adding the color pop on the outside, you know there's a good chance it'll be the same way on the inside. So follow me in. The all-new Sandpiper. And now we're on the interior of the Sandpiper. And as you can see, we brought that color pop inside as well. And before I get started with the tour, I want to ensure that anyone out there that prefers more of the short form content, you can run on over to the short section of the YouTube channel as well, or even run over to TikTok or Instagram at the Mr. Tiny to see 2-minute video tours of the homes that I provide. I want to make sure I take care of everyone. But for those of you that want more of an educational, in-depth tour, continue watching and get your popcorn ready. Because as we see right here in the living area, as soon as you enter, the elevated sidewalls take this up to around 11 feet. So that maroon is going all the way up to the ceiling. And as you'll see here, that is going to lead directly to your picture windows that are right here on the side. You're going to have two 30 by 68 picture windows with one single clear story up above. And what I love about this living room area is the fact that you have functionality on your furniture placement. For many of you, you may like it just as it is with your couch right here on this side, and you have a huge wall right here to place your TV. Or some of you may prefer to make this your sofa or recliner wall, and you would intend to place a TV on this wall. You can either place it right here or mount it in the corner where you can look out onto your porch. You have options. I just want to show you the flexibility that you have with this Sandpiper floor plan. Also on the front wall, you'll see again the interior shot of that front window. Let's not forget about the 3.5-foot prismatic window there. I love it because you can actually gaze out onto your porch and see the board and bat style pattern there on the interior. And keep in mind on that porch, it is already wired and braced, so you can put a very cool light fixture there and gaze from the interior out onto that from the inside. So looks like a great option. Also hard surface flooring going throughout the entire model. No carpet in this home. And then let's take it across right here and you'll see we've done something very interesting. A built-in desk right here. We want to make something unique, just create functional space throughout the entire home. So starting right here, you'll see for anyone that likes a nice reading nook or a place to work from home, whether that's on the laptop, look at some Mr. Tiny videos on the computer, you can do so right here. So you have cabinetry on each side, also cabinets up top. We went with the white cabinets in this particular model to bring in some natural light as well as matching the white wood trim going throughout. Also, you'll see continuing with the white, we have the white side-by-side fridge with ice in the door, just doing something different. We always do a lot of stainless, a lot of black appliances. They say white's making a comeback, so we're gonna throw it in here, see what you guys say. You let us know down in the comments. As we keep coming along, you'll see that you do have your stove right here, smooth top, with your microwave up above that, additional storage going around, and then cabinets down low, white 2-basin farm sink with the window up above that, and another clear store. We're keeping these raised ceilings going throughout. But keep in mind, this is the Sandpiper model, and I told you outside at the beginning that you were interested in a home that had a half bath, a powder room. Well, let's see what's behind this maroon pocket door right here. And oh yeah, as you see right here, let's take it in. You will have a powder room right here, so you can have guests come over to your tiny home and not have to use your restroom. Very great bonus point right there. You see that we have a linen right here up above your toilet space, toilet down below. You have a sink here, additional mirror, countertop, everything that you need in a typical powder room, you have in a tiny home. Where do they have 1.5 baths in a tiny home besides with Mr. Tiny right here? So again, a great option for anyone that has always been a sore point for them or something that they had to kind of look over. Now Mr. Tiny has it covered. You will have a half bath for your guests in your tiny home. And as we make our way moving further back, you'll see just because we did not want to use this as dead space, we wanted to add some additional storage right there. So you have an additional pantry for your canned goods. And these do have adjustable shelving. So if you wanted to completely remove the shelving or raise it or lower it, you can do so. Whether you want to put cereal boxes, canned goods, etc. in there, you can do so. Right across from that, you'll have a stackable washing machine and dryer, top load already included. Again, in the 91K, you get all the appliances that you see today. So that'll be included for you as well. Now you may be asking, Mr. Tiny, what's this other door right here, that little swing door? Let me show you, sweetheart. You see right here, we open it up, a pantry, a full-size pantry. Yeah, we did that for you. So you have shelves there. You may ask, what's that down below? That's actually where we've hidden your hot water heater. So you have your hot water heater in there, gives you space to place your food and belongings on top of it. Great option there. And we'll see we have another pocket door leading into your primary bedroom, but go ahead and follow me into this bedroom. As you come in here, you have enough room to accommodate any size bed that you wish. I would personally recommend a queen size bed, as I feel you can put that in here and have enough walkability on each side to make it very comfortable to your liking. Large window here off the rear of the home. A lot of you say all the time, you ask about additional exits or additional doors for your safety. If you look close enough, it does say exit there on that window because, Lord forbid it has to happen, but in the case of an emergency and you can't go out the front, you can open this window, it falls open, and you can go out the rear. So just wanted to give you a pro tip there that these homes do have that option. Next, let's focus in on your built-in closet with a 4-drawer dresser. You're going to have 2 bifold doors, of course, painted in maroon, with the built-in dresser centered, additional space up above. Let's open up one of these bifold doors and you can see how much closet space you have there. Shelf up top, rod below that, and additional storage down below for all of your shoes and belongings. We'll close that back up. Again, we've showed you the powder room for your guests. Now let Mr. Tiny show you your bathroom. Right here, through your bedroom. Oh yeah, you know we do it right. So you come right in here and you'll see that you have your sink right here. You do have the mirror up above that doubles as a medicine cabinet. You have 2 rows of subway tile backsplash. You do have your linen right here up above your toilet with adjustable shelving as well. 1 illusion window right here to the side to add you some additional privacy. And then you're going to have the 54-inch tile shower here with the Carrera tile running in a vertical pattern with the white grout all the way to the ceiling. You'll have 2 soap dishes, and not only that, you also have a tile seat to make it very convenient and easy for anyone to utilize this. Also threw in a transom window right here just because, looks lovely. Also brings in some additional natural light, and you do have the sliding glass door here on your shower. So I think it is a great combination for anyone in the market right now looking for a tiny home. This Sandpiper may be a great option for you, especially if you want to just be able to hop out of your bed, go into the bathroom right here en suite. You have the option right here with Mr. Tiny. So come on around, let's take it back through, and look how this opens back up out in the main area. Again, when you choose no loft, you get all of the elevated ceilings. Let's not skip over the half bath one more time, because that's what makes this Sandpiper so special. Make it back out to the living area. You'll see, just opens up tons of space in here for you to enjoy for friends and family. And this is a great home for anyone wanting to keep everything on one level. And again, to recap the statistics one more time on this home by the name of the Sandpiper, it is coming in at 13 feet wide, 38 feet long, and that's going to include the 8-foot front porch. And it's on sale today for $91K. $91,000, you'll get everything you see today besides furniture and decor. And again, if you enjoyed this video tour, please do one thing for me if you haven't done anything already. Hit that thumbs up button, hit that like button, and let me know you enjoyed these video tours so I can keep them coming each and every week. Also, hit that subscribe button. If you're subscribed like you should be, then I really appreciate you and you're part of the family. Also, hit a comment, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you enjoyed the powder room, you enjoyed the half bath, if you like the nice maroon. You know I do. Let me know down in the comments so I can keep things like that coming in the future. And also, if you're interested in purchasing this Sandpiper today, you can run on over to TikTok or Instagram at the Mr. Tiny, at TheMrTiny. And you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the Sandpiper as well as hundreds of other models directly off of my TikTok or Instagram. So you can contact me day or night, and I'll make sure that price is right. And until next time, my name is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Tiny Home Tuesday.